Marshal Tito's Jugoslavije, where today flags of the West are flying, Warner Pathé News cameras record first films inside Yugoslavia. 6 years ago, Tito, then a Moscow-trained guerrilla leader, established his regime. Today, guerrillas no longer. The army he led against Nazi occupation prepares for defense against Soviet occupation. It was Tito's insistence that Yugoslavia be governed not from Moscow, but from his capital on the Danube River, Belgrade, that led to the break with Stalin, bringing vast changes to Yugoslavia. Its great transportation shortage remains, but the Stalin portraits are gone from public buildings. Today, Belgrade residents line up for hours to see American movies where so recently only Soviet propaganda films played. From its embassy in Belgrade, the State Department follows eagerly the progress of Tito's about-face toward the West. Married to the daughter of a Yugoslavian immigrant to America, our chargé d'affaires, Robert Ream, Center, keeps in close touch with the